Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix black screen while capturing a game in OBS. So once you try to capture the game, you get the black screen on your OBS studio. Then in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So first you have to make sure you have successfully installed the OBS studio. Once you have it, simply open it up. Once it gets open, then you will see this phase. Now what you have to do is you have to simply delete all the sources that you have created and create a new one, maybe because there's an issue while you created, so let's create a new one. Once you have cleared all the sources, you have to create a new one. You can go for the game capture and you can also go for the display capture as well. It's up to you, both will work the right way. Then you can rename it if you would like to and click on OK. After that, you have to click onto this capture method option, and there you will see the option for Windows. You have to select it, and in the display you will see the option for 1770 into 990 resolutions. You have to simply select it and click on OK, and after that it is good to go. Now you can see there is no black screen. You can see the behind screen or the screen that you would like to capture. If you're still facing this issue, then you have to go to the device manager. There you will find the option for display adapters. You have to find that option and update its drivers. Once you have find the option, you have to simply expand it. Once you expand it, you will find the drivers. You have to simply click on update and go with the first option, and it will update the driver. And the last thing that you can try is uninstalling the OBS Studio and reinstalling it. For that, go to the install apps. There you will find the OBS Studio. You can just simply uninstall it and reinstall it, and after that the OBS Studio will work the best for screen capturing of your game. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.